Alana here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you guys how I stick my wig down for daily wear. In case y'all haven't known, there are levels to this wig applying thing. There's a wig application for your wig to last for vacation, you know, like a week, 2 weeks tops. There's a way to apply your wigs so they can last you a couple of days at a time. And then there's a way to apply your wig where it can last you for the day. And that's all you need sometimes, because sometimes you don't want the wig there all day long. This thing will be right off and on the back of the door. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that really quickly, really easily. All you need is a bottle of hairspray. I also like to use the Chi helmet head hairspray for this, but this is just what I have downstairs right now. I'm also going to use my blow dryer. I'm gonna start by taking the wig off. No, she didn't. Yes, she did. Okay, this wig is called Penelope, and I love this wig. I love this hair. It is hot. It is my vacation hair. Oh, don't get in the pool with this on. Okay, I don't want to be responsible for your wig floating on by. Okay, this is like my summer hair vibe right now. So it's pretty low maintenance. I style it like once a week, leave it on the mannequin overnight, and then when I get up in the morning I just kind of do this and go. So I'm gonna show you guys. I have my Meek Mills in right now. You already know how this goes. My hair is braided all around in the back, and I just have a flesh tone stocking cap. This one is the dark color. I know sometimes people get like the light one and put foundation on it, but I don't know, I think the dark one works for a lot of skin tones. So this is just the dark one. I didn't do anything extra to it. I just took it out of the pack, and I'm gonna go ahead and slide it onto my hair. Because I'm not gonna do like the ball cap method, I am not going to be like gluing this down, gelling this down, nothing. This is just strictly here for parting purposes. If I decide to part my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and just slide it back just a tiny bit because I don't want the cap showing through my wig. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply spray across my hairline, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Alright, I'm gonna put the blow dryer on for just a few seconds on cool, just to make sure it gets a little tacky. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and slide her on. Alright, I'm gonna position my wig where I would like for it to sit. And it's already sticking down because that spray is so tacky. And I'm just gonna go ahead and press it into the spray. Like right there. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Just pull it forward a little bit. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Tack it down. And get that all the way over to the hairline. Okay. Now I'm gonna just push that down for a couple of seconds, and then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer on a medium heat to kind of heat up this hairspray, kind of make it a little bit more sticky. That way once it dries, it'll actually bond with the lace a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You can actually go back in with your spray and spray all the little areas that are not down so tight. Okay, so I went ahead and did my baby hairs. I just used a little bit of Ecostyler Gel to kind of slick those down. And yeah, all I used today was the Got to Be Glued Blasted Freeze spray. My wig is tacked down pretty tight. I don't think it's going anywhere until I take it off tonight. If you have invested in a wig, you could definitely install it yourself, especially if you're going to only wear it like to work and stuff like that. I do want to stress the fact that this is a temporary hold. This is kind of like your 9 to 5 holds, less than 12-hour holds. I would not trust this in the club. I would not trust this anywhere where you're going to be sweating. That's totally up to you, but just don't tell them that I told you to do it. I have additional information on this unit down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it from neoriahair.com. This wig is in the style Penelope, and I really love like the definition of the curls at the bottom of this. Can you guys see this? Can y'all see? I hope you guys really enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you learned something, and if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Also, drop a comment and let me know what other types of videos you guys would like to see here on my channel. And until my next video, love you guys. Bye.